Hakajingpan krea nak benta kajingwan tem uklur nong ruai bapau keper thayu at Sheeran kepan lo haka khat atrik rempang arja arpusan HJN Stadium polo nakaliang kibor punya district kilapen benai ki kattu katne kijingpan tep nak benta ki paitba ki ban let chekate katamasa Hawa pentep ikini sekilat pathai kubor hakanok pai sigi jong spotter rempang arja arpusan kakong Rosetta Mary Kurba ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Castles District kalaong baki entry gate kin play na ruka por sau baje janmet bat kin dan tang artli ki entry point bat kumta kala kentui ki pajba bakin wan kham kloy sakate ka tamasa ban lat na kanu ka jing jenjar nolor kata kalaong ru banam sha ban rung ye ki bah po ka san snam bat anam sha ban rai kinu ki tiar lat tang ka back pisa ka mobile phone bat shabi kali bat lakmi lenti ru baki Nongwan ketika tamasa kindan kumba arpa hundri hajar ngot AA.
Mishkwa BTPP ketika program kanong habasni andro bejene. Andai igil ngimplin ado sabujin sen. Ki kisrok bande cepo JN Stadium min kang gitu ki lenti baro kumbala batai SP mana nado kapor lai buji. Nang tangi expect gibril banpoy kato kesni kinang hundri hajar. Nakata-kadau ngidan gawe ke jing ngidan hitai jing snow perkat bang ngidin pentet ipai ba namar ba ger entry ke data artli tak ada pendelapai di artli gate kedan sekawai ba split ke gate ketamo mereka hal kat bar pindungi kedan artli so kini ke ke bang ni hap ya bu haji macam pi baro kiban wan pekan ba kala ban simpor bat na takarami kung yapi ban wan kam kloy bat habang i wan kam kloy kam wat bangini khanyat ne ya mo nia patrong ni webe naman ngilit nam taga concert ni kerni ko ai bar khat kimya lit ban lit subha ban yo ka por ko biang te ni kermen bakani kan ya beki te hakaba ya dei bat kabam nimplin ado salbuje I did not mention this food and will be open at 4 p.m. Till 10 p.m. Also, gabang gadran ham tu, yung siya bandra panat ikini gilay tali ki ike, kaway de mobile jampi, kabaar ka de Shopee kali jampi, kabalay ka de ki wallet lani i lapisa jampi. Tikini de lay tali ibang ni bo kendran ganun dan bandra akala ni kata. Kila dadan manu akong kini kita ayuk sidan hi ibang sitang or kinaaban dan kung balong mata kaniru ni dan gagis ba dan basitang te naman ta kataro inabo ka arrangement ngindan ki medical team jani kumba kadway kan atli ki medical team across the stadium ka Pangidan but kandan ka control room hang ta control room nginbo igi ngidang ki team naka SDMA SDRF ka DDMA la jong hangni juma district nang tablet fire service nang tablet ya ka emergency service MPRO police but medical team ini di arrangement dengan ada bo ina ada trial and tested nang tablet ni kwaruban ong ba yigi klung haposan snam minum syaban wan baladadan mana wan ra klung haposan snam in pen pai na iki shwashiya magini bo iki kwat but min sa sha iki men wan pai pa mo na malba pilan sa thong ala de ong ba ka entry kan no problem la de piwara si klung dan de sha khanya e nin kadan ka problem ham tu de na ta dang i ong ba wat wan ya lam hi ki concert ke ju sha e klung ha pa san snam des mo ba wat no break de no mo nang ta ba de okay so ha pa to ke SRGT kita gong ra helmet kin kinaban bu ham tu kin bu go we ke jaga ban drop point ham tu tang ba kan hala da pi make arrangement da kumai namar ba kan right ba pilan mo do la da bu si hajar tu ki helmet ham tu ru ngatrai kam capacity jong tu kam ka jaga kan nandan temano yo ja so ka advisable na ne jong hi kan ba kan ha ba avoid make arrangement ki be mo nanti diskuti pula ban play ke seat and tap out so le kita ki bensuk bensuk yang ni bonjo. There's no planning of closing the schools but then we have to preempt children will be stranded. We want to avoid that situation, therefore we want to create this alert to the public to make necessary arrangement.
Hababen rap halor kene nakaliang uba Vivex EMUSP ka East Khasi Hills District ula pentep bakan don kejing penkala hakur kom yat kali hak te kasngi khnang ban light na kejing dheng kali bat anam sha ban yat kali 10 nadu kapor lai baje janmit.
The regulations would start from 3 p.m. because as what Marina said, 4 p.m. the gates would open. So the first place where regulation point would be no entry at Lomjing Shai Junction towards CRPF Junction Polo. No entry at Lomjing Shai Junction towards Forest Colony. Vehicles out there will be diverted towards Laumani Junction and beyond. Then number 2, no entry at Laumani Junction towards Polo. Vehicles will be diverted to Lomjing Shai, Jingthangpeng and Jaya. No entry at Golfling Tri Junction towards Polo. Here vehicles will be diverted towards Mauro Tri Junction and Tiara Restaurant Junction. No entry at City Hut Dhaba Junction towards Polo, the one-way road. Vehicles will be diverted towards Oakland Road. No entry at BJP office towards Oakland Road and Polo. Vehicles there will be diverted towards CS Junction. No entry at PK Vijoria Junction towards 4th Furlong. Vehicles will be diverted towards Shillong Commerce College Junction and beyond. No entry at no entry at Gurdwara Junction towards St. Anthony's College. Vehicles will be diverted towards Lower Lashmia and Ajmi Point. Regarding the parking arrangements, we have a number of places where the general public can park. The first one is the Redfield Golfing, that is just opposite the golf retreat. The second one is the roadside parking, one side only from Tiara Restaurant Junction to the CM Connect office. The third one is the roadside parking, one side only around the golfing area. That means from Golf Club to Old TTS and Tiara Restaurant Junction. Then the roadside parking, one side only from FCI Junction to Lomjing Shai Junction. Another place where they can park is the State Central Library campus and the State Convention Center campus. So these are the places where the general public can park their vehicles. Like what ma'am was saying, we just want to urge the public that during ingress, they should not be pushing and heckling. There are 2 gates for entry, and so we urge people. There are turnstiles out there. There are about 8 channels where people will have ingress. So you have 3 points of checking. One is the first soft check, where actually people will show their bands, and that's a visual check. That's the first soft check. The hard check, when you reach the turnstiles, where you have DFMDs, and frisking is out there. The last is also just a soft check before you enter the stadium. So these are the arrangements made in place. Police arrangements are we are handling it currently and also inside, along with the security component of the event managers. So that's about it from traffic and the police.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha. Pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.